ladies and gentlemen. This is Stephen V. Richardson, proud, loyal, committed, independent distribution partner with Organo since 2009. If you're watching this video, it means that you have made the decision to be part of the Organo family. And I'm going to walk you through step by step how to enroll online. If you have received a link from your sponsor, which you should have, then this is the first page that you'll go to. You need to select your country and the language. Then you will go to the main website. Confirm at the top of the screen that you have the name and information of your personal sponsor. If for some reason it's blank or there's someone else's name, then that means you have the wrong links. You want to make absolutely sure that you are entering in to the system under the person who is sponsoring you. And for the record, this is what your website will look like immediately after you are enrolled into the system. So once you're at this page, near the top of the screen, you'll see the Join Now button. You want to select that. Now you will select your country on where your products will be shipped. Scroll down and select your proper country. Click on OK. Now you will get your options. Since you are enrolling to be a distribution partner, click on Distribution Partner Sign Up, and then you will go to the Terms and Agreement. You want to select this. And of course, if you want to see these terms and conditions in detail, just click on the highlighted part of that paragraph. Otherwise, agree, and then click on I agree. Now you'll go to the page where you can select the starter kit and the products that you're going to initially order with your enrollment. Now you have to get a starter kit and make sure that the country, name, and language is proper. You're going to click Add to Order, and you'll see that the amount of the starter kit has now populated in the upper left-hand corner of your shopping cart. You want to scroll down, and now you will see the promotional product pack. Now, you're in a business, and if you're going to be in a business, you need some product to run your business, but you definitely want to get back to the person who sponsored you to give you recommendations on which product pack to enroll in, depending on your goals and your current situation. So you're going to select the product pack, and then if you're going to choose the Travada services, you can select that also. Go to the bottom of the screen, and if you have not ordered any product, you will not be able to hit the continue button. So that's what's going on. If you've hit that and you haven't been able to proceed, you need to select the starter kit and then select either a product pack or at least order one box of product. And when you're ordering product individually, instead of clicking the click here to select button and scrolling through all the products, it's a lot easier for you just to click on search and then enter in the name of what you are searching for. For example, latte or mocha or green tea. And then when you hit select, it'll populate. And if you confirm that is correct, select Add to Order. And then once you've added it to order, if you look at the upper left-hand corner, you'll see that the new subtotal reflects the additional order of the product. And this amount up here is a one-time payment / investment to get started. Once you've completed selecting all the products you're going to order on your initial enrollment, now you're going to select on Continue. And this is where you're going to select your automatic delivery, a monthly order in order to run your business and consume the product. Then this is where you're going to select that. And you're going to select what day of the month. Now, this is completely optional. If you have not discussed this in detail, you want to definitely get back to your sponsor and get recommendations on if you should do this and why and when. But you want to select your auto ship so you have product to run your business. And if for some reason you want to skip selecting your auto ship products at that time, you can just click Skip Auto Ship and you'll go to the next screen. But select the day of the month that it will be ordered on. And also, you'll scroll down through whatever products you're going to add. When you select Add to Auto Ship, you'll see in the upper right-hand corner, now that amount will go in the auto delivery subtotal. Just for clarification, the amount on the upper left is what's going to be charged today, the one-time order, and the order on the upper right is going to be starting the following month and every month. And of course, you can change your auto ship quantity and products whenever you want. When you are done, you're going to scroll all the way to the bottom of the screen and then click on personal information. Now you're going to be able to enter your personal information. If you have started with the proper enrollment link, then your sponsor's name and ID number will auto-populate in that space, and you won't be able to change it. If it's blank or if the number name is different, once again, get back to your sponsor to make sure that you get the proper link. And you go on the bottom, self-explanatory, your name, middle initial, and you want to have this be consistent with what you have on your credit card. So then you're going to enter in your social security number. The reason, obviously, we have your social security number is when you build your business, you earn income, and we properly submit the information via 1099 at the end of every tax year. So we need to have your social security number in order to submit it to the IRS. Enter in your birthday, and then scroll down further. You're going to enter your mailing address, and you keep going. Then you're going to enter in your contact information, your phone number, your email address. I strongly recommend that you you select that you do want to receive corporate emails and emails from your sponsor. This is the primary way that the company will be communicating with you to tell you about events and announcements and any special changes. So you definitely want to click on that. Into your cell phone information. Now you're going to click your online account management. This is going to be your login. Your username is to log into your back office to track your business activity. Excuse me. So you want to click that. If the name has already been used, then you'll have to enter in a different name. So you enter in your username for your back office access. Then you're going to enter in your password, going through the guidelines that are written above. Select your time zone, your business site address. This is the name that's going to go at the top of your website. You want to give this some thought. If I'm not mistaken, once you decide this, you cannot change it. And you just want to make sure that it's something professional. My personal recommendation is that you put your first name and middle initial, last name, and then you'll have a very clean, consistent title for your company. But you can have a conversation with your sponsor regarding what you should put in this area. But this is a very important decision to make, what you want your website's name to be. And once you do that, you also get free access to an upgraded version of your back office. It's a 30-day free trial. So you want to just acknowledge that. You're going to click on the terms and agreements for your upgraded back office. And then you're going to click on payment information. Before you go to the payment information, it's going to confirm your personal information that you just entered. So you want to make sure that that is correct. I've blurred the screen just a little bit for the purpose of protection. If this is wrong for any reason, you can go back and edit the information. Once you've confirmed your personal information, you want to hit continue. And now you will see a payment summary. The first part of the summary will be the starter kit, either your product pack or any products that you ordered. You'll see the entire amount and shipping and tax and amount due. And then if you scroll a little bit further down, you'll see what you have entered in for your monthly auto ship. And that's going to be processed. It'll show you the date on whatever you selected the following month. And then at the bottom of the screen, you're going to do your payment or billing information that corresponds to your credit card. You want to make sure that billing address is correct. Once you've completed all of that, email address, pretty self-explanatory, you agree that this amount that the credit card is going to be used for your annual renewal fee, which is the $49.95. That will happen in 12 months. Once you've done that, you will be directed to a separate site that is, let's just say, more secure and obviously encrypted so that you can enter in, once you hit continue, your credit card information. Once you have done this, you're done. That's it. You're officially in the system. Your website should be live immediately. Sometimes it takes maybe an hour or so for the information to populate at the top of the screen, but your website, and you'll receive a confirmation email. You'll see a form on the page that will show you your information, your new distributor ID, and it might even have your password and login name on there for your information. So that's it. Very simple process. If you have any questions or any challenges, feel free to get back to the person who shared this video with you or your sponsor. And welcome to the Organo family. This has been Stephen V. Richardson. Look forward to seeing you at the next event. Have an amazing journey. Talk to you soon. Take care.